Hi everyone, good morning. It's raining outside. I am replanting this one. I have extra one. I don't know if this will work. Ta-da! I put egg on it. Shell egg. Here's my plant. I bought this macram at AliExpress for just $6. I put it there. Just a quick update of my plants. It's been like 2 weeks already here. So here is cucumber, tomato, chili, tomato, eggplant, squash, okra. Ta-da! Thank you, Daddy, for this Happy Mother's Day gift. This is some snake plants. Thank you. Hi guys, today I am going to unbox what's on my mail. So first, this is from I'm going to open this. It's an headset. It's an earphone. Daddy has already have him. It's free from O. Henry. It's from O. Henry. It's free. Here's the headphone. Here's the headphone, and Daddy have him pod. Gi-charge lang niya. See, we have 2 for free. I have here Always Radiant. It's free also. There's 3 pads. It's free. And this one, I am so excited with this one. It's Sample Source. It's from Sample Source. Let's see what's inside. There's clover leaf bistro bowls. There's OxyClean. And I have lots of coupons here. There's one made gold. Kashi chocolate peanut butter. It's Atkins. It's peanut fudge granola. I have Special K. Nescafe Gold. There's Essentials White Charcoal. I don't know what's this. It's a toothpaste. It's a toothpaste. And there's Jovita. It's rice, organic rice, and lentil blend. It's an organic rice. And there is Bona hardware floor cleaner. And there's no more. And I have lots of coupons here. Lots of coupons, buy one, save one. And flexible kettle, save one. Made good, buy one, get one. Essential, the toothpaste, Arm & Hammer, save $1. It's a basil margarine. This is free product. I think I am going to show this to this store. This one is free, I think. Here, free product. I will just show this to the store when I buy this one. And this one is also a free product. And this is also a free product. And I have also here from Hallmark. I'm going to open this. It's free. Who are the heroes in your world? Because a word of thanks can make a word of difference. What you do matters. You are so amazing. And heroes. Guys, these are free. All of these are free. So these are from sample source. These are all free. It's you can see this in their website. These are free products. Here are the free products. And this one is also free from... I will put the link on the description where I get this one. I have this O. Henry. These are free also. I have two. This is mine and this is Daddy's headphone. And this is from Hallmark. This is free also, guys. I've just seen this on Facebook posting these links, and then apply. Just put name, address, email address, and that's all. And then you just receive it in your mail. And yeah, I love couponing, guys. I mean coupons. I love couponing. These are free. See, try it free. It's a big one. This one also is free. Valid blank basil. Free product. And this one is also free product. I'll just show these coupons to the cashier. And then pay nothing. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.